Marinus Louw is also a data scientist at Exegetic Analytics, and his talk is 3 essential regex hacks.
Bianca is actually very optimistic. I'm a junior data scientist. So I'll be presenting about regular expressions. My quote of Jamie Zawinski is extremely applicable, as I'll show today. So let's start with a massive file database consisting of various file names, each with various file names and also with various file types. So if we wanted to solve the problem of finding all the .csv and .ods files, starting with the word project, then we would have our first problem. Our second problem would then be if we want to solve this problem using regular expressions. So what are regular expressions? Very simply, they are patterns to find text or find and replace text. The most vanilla search is obviously just a plain search for, say, CSV. And as you can see, it introduces files such as Excel, which of course we don't want to use. And if we wanted to go into this iterative process of solving our problem, it would be very time consuming. So we're going to use regular expressions to do so. Firstly, I want to introduce you to the caret and the dollar. These are anchors. So, for example, if we want to find all the files starting with proj, we would add a caret at the start. Similarly, if we want to find all the .csv type extensions, we would add a dollar at the end. Notice the 2 backslashes in front of the period. That is to escape it. So we are looking for literally a period. Next, groups and pipes. So groups are used to group characters. Pipes are used as the logical OR operator. So for example, if as a first step of finding these files we're looking for, let's say we want to start by finding all the .csv and ODS files, then we group them in parentheses and we separate them with a pipe, specifying that we're searching for all the files at the end, starting with .csv or .ods. Next, I would like to introduce you to square brackets and the asterisk. So square brackets are similar to parentheses, but they are used to create a character set where the order does not matter. So if we are looking to find all the file types in our file database, we could write a regular expression stating that we want the lower and uppercase letters, and we put that into the square brackets, followed by the asterisk. So the asterisk is a quantifier, the most greedy of all, which specifies that we don't want only one lower or uppercase letter, but we actually want any number of them. So we now have everything we need to solve our problem of finding all the .csv and .ods files, starting with the word project. So if I broke this regular expression down, firstly, we search for the word project, where it can be an upper or lowercase p. This is followed by literally an underscore or a dash, which is followed by any number of lower or uppercase letters, which is followed by .csv or .ods. And we then wrap this with a caret at the start and a dollar at the end, and this is to avoid weird file names such as 123 project.csv. And yeah, as you can see, learning and expanding on your regular expression knowledge is extremely useful. There are also numerous tools, cheat sheets, books available to ease your learning process, so check them out. Thank you.